In 2025, the United States is witnessing a significant shift in immigration enforcement. Several states are implementing stringent measures to address illegal immigration. Let's explore the top 10 states leading this crackdown. 1. Florida under Governor Ron DeSantis. Florida has enacted some of the nation's strictest immigration laws. Key measures include statewide immigration enforcement panel, establishment of a board comprising top state officials to oversee immigration enforcement, enhanced penalties, introduction of mandatory death sentences for undocumented immigrants convicted of first-degree murder or child rape, criminalization of reentry, making it a state crime for undocumented immigrants to re-enter Florida after previous removal. These laws have sparked legal debates regarding their constitutionality. 2. Texas. Texas continues its aggressive stance with Operation Lone Star, which includes state crime designation. Illegal immigration is now a state crime, allowing local law enforcement to arrest undocumented individuals. Deportation authority. State courts can issue removal orders, facilitating deportations. Military deployment. Use of the Texas National Guard and armored vehicles to patrol the border. These actions have led to legal challenges from the federal government. 3. Arizona. Arizona is considering a ballot measure that would employer verification, mandate stricter checks on employee immigration status, public benefits restrictions, limit access to public services for undocumented immigrants. This proposal aims to deter illegal immigration by targeting employment and public assistance. Missouri. Missouri lawmakers are proposing state-level ICE, creation of a state agency mirroring federal immigration enforcement. Bounty incentives, offering $1,000 to individuals who report undocumented immigrants. These proposals have faced criticism and comparisons to historical abuses. West Virginia Governor Patrick Morrisey has signed an executive order directing law enforcement cooperation, state agencies to collaborate closely with ICE, identification and removal, efforts to identify and remove undocumented immigrants from the state. This move aligns with federal initiatives to enhance immigration enforcement. 6. Georgia. In response to a tragic incident, Georgia has enacted the Laken Riley Act, which, mandatory detention, requires detention of undocumented immigrants charged with theft, assaulting officers, or causing serious harm. State lawsuits allows states to sue the Department of Homeland Security for enforcement failures. This law reflects a tough stance on crimes committed by undocumented individuals. 7. New Mexico. The federal government has transferred approximately 110,000 acres along the U.S.-Mexico border to the Army in New Mexico to enhance border security, support patrol operations and infrastructure development, combat illegal activities, address drug and human trafficking concerns. This action underscores the state's strategic role in national border security. 8. Illinois. Operation Safeguard targets sanctuary cities like Chicago by mass raids, coordinated efforts to detain undocumented immigrants with violent criminal histories, federal collaboration, involvement of ICE and other federal agencies in enforcement actions. Chicago's selection is partly due to its sanctuary policies and tensions with federal authorities. 9. California. California is actively opposing federal immigration policies by legal challenges, filing lawsuits against the Trump administration's immigration actions. Defense funds, allocating $25 million to support legal defenses for immigrants. The state emphasizes protecting immigrant rights through judicial means. New York. New York has taken steps to limit cooperation, restrict local law enforcement's collaboration with federal immigration agencies, protect sanctuary policies, uphold laws that prevent the sharing of immigration status information. These measures aim to maintain the state's commitment to being a sanctuary for immigrants.